Ang aming kwento ay magsisimula dito. We focus on children of grassroots age. Ang misyon ng Santa Barbara Football Lilids ay bigyan ng pantay-pantay na pagkakataon ang mga bata na maglaro. That everybody can win, mayaman man o mahirap, may sapatos man o wala. We will just open the windows of opportunity for these kids through football. We are an independent and self-reliant group that organizes free football clinics and football festivals.
Football Lilids program ay nagsimula noong January 2012 na may layuning turuan at sanayin ang mga bata 6 to 12 years old na may interes sa larong football.
We also hope that through football, these kids will learn the values of respect, teamwork, camaraderie, discipline, and sportsmanship.
Nakita namin na maraming kabataan ang may skills, talents at potential na malayo ang mararating kapag nabigyan lamang ng pagkakataon.
We are thankful for our benefactors, and with the help of social media like Facebook, we were able to spread the word. Maraming tulong tulad ng old gears, equipments, and shoes, aside from the financial help. Volunteer coaches also give their time and talents for the program. At ngayong 2013, ang team namin ang representative ng Region 6 sa palarong pambansa. At isang bata ang naging manlalaro sa Junior Ascals Under 14 sa Myanmar.
Sana matulungan kami ng SMART with the use of latest technology na may paabot sa iba't ibang organisasyon na kami ay matulungan na mapagpatuloy ang programang ito, magsilbing inspirasyon sa ibang organisasyon na hindi hadlang ang kakulangan ng mga equipment para maisakatuparan ang ganitong programa.